What is the integral of x combination 5 dx from 0 up to 4? Now let's see how we do this in a very simple way. For this integral, let us take x combination 5 and simplify it first. This gives x factorial over x minus 5 or factorial times 5 factorial. Now, this is very simple. We write x factorial as x times x minus 1 times x minus 2 times x minus 3 times x minus 4 times x minus 5 factorial, all divided by x minus 5 factorial times 5 factorial. And here x minus 5 factorial will cancel x minus 5 factorial. 5 factorial equals 120. So if we expand whatever is at the top, that is the numerator, we are going to get x to the power 5 minus 10x to the power 4 plus 35x to the power 3 minus 50x squared plus 24x, which can be written as 1 out of 120 times into bracket x to the power 5 minus 10x to the power 4 plus 35x cubed minus 50x squared plus 24x. Now, we have the integral x combination 5 dx from 0 up to 4 equals 120 times the integral of x to the power 5 minus 10x to the power 4 plus 35x cubed minus 50x squared plus 24x dx from 0 up to 4. Now, if we integrate each of the terms with respect to x, this gives 1 out of 20 times, if we integrate x to the power 5 with respect to x, we get x to the power 6 over 6. And this gives x to the power 5 divided by 5. And the 5 will divide 10, so we get 2. This will give x to the power 4 divided by 4. And we have 35 there. And this will give negative 50 on 3 times x cubed. The integral of 24x with respect to x gives 24x squared divided by 2, which gives 12x squared from 0 up to 4. If we put in 0, everything here will be 0. And we are going to put in 4. So let's see. If we put in this 4, we are going to get this. You can use your calculator to cross-check to see if what you've done is correct. So replacing x by 4 gives 2048 divided by 3 minus 2048 plus 2240 minus 3200 divided by 3 plus 192. Everything inside here gives 0 times 1 out of 120. And if we multiply, we are getting 0. Hence, the integral of x combination 5 dx from 0 up to 4 equals 0. Please give this video a like, share, comment, and follow me for us to build the mathematics community.